Welcome to the course on Python programming for high school students, where learners will build a strong foundation in programming concepts. My name is Sunil Nayan, and I'll be mentoring children through this exciting course. I have been teaching and designing coding courses for children since 2017. And during this journey, I've also published a book PyStart in 2019. This course is designed to cater to the learning needs of high school students who wish to sharpen their programming skills before applying to universities. With skills gained in this course, children will not just be better prepared to take up computer science in university, but also able to progress towards robotics or data science fundamentals. Throughout this coding program, we also address skills in math, problem solving, reading and comprehension, language, and writing. Split across 16 sections, every video lesson is crisp and exciting with a duration of just 10 to 15 minutes. To gain maximum benefit from each video lesson, each one is complemented with textual description, code samples, and assignments. The ideal student for this course is a student aged 14 to 18 with basic keyboard typing skills. But if you're a parent, teacher, or guardian, you can also use this course to teach high school students on how to code. Feel free to look through the course description and the video previews. We look forward to seeing you inside.